Hello students, my name is Praveen Tyagi. We are discussing the plan for June 2021. So this is very important guys to plan every month nicely for achieving the mission CAT 2021. In this guys for quant, I would suggest that you should target 30 questions per day into 30 days. So your target should be doing 900 questions. The topic can be of your choice. You can choose arithmetic, you can choose geometry, any one topic or two topics you can choose, and from there you can practice the questions. I am doing course of arithmetic and geometry this month, so that is why I've written the name of this. For VARC guys, I will suggest that you do 3 passages per day. So if you're doing 3 passages per day into 30 days, you will be doing nothing but 90 passages. But if you do 4 on some day, it will be 100 passages. So 100 passages will be target for VARC. Similarly, guys, for LRDI, 3 caselets should be your target for 30 days. And you will again do 100 caselets should be the target of the whole month. So 3 daily, but on Saturday, Sunday, you can do more and definitely make it 100. So guys, for reading, I will say that 2 hours per day should be a reading into 30 days. So it should be a 60-hour reading. What to read? Read the news, read the editorials, and read the novels. These are the 3 things you should target reading, guys. And then we come to the mock test. If you have already completed your syllabus, you should give 4 mock tests. If not, you should give 1. So 1 to 4 mock tests per week, per month, you have to give, guys. So for this month, you have to give this many, means you have to give at least 1. एक तो mock देना ही है आपको, guys. And if you are doing online classes, guys, so you can do them 2 to 3 hours per day of online classes. This is what you can do. If you will do more, then you will disturb the time of self-study. Overall, guys, if I divide your time of 24 hours, you can divide it into 3 parts like this: 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. So 8 hours for personal time. Personal time means sleeping, studying, eating, no, sleeping, eating, and all personal things. 8 hours for CAT preparation and 8 hours for your office or college. If you are not going to office or college, you can donate some hours from here to CAT preparation, because CAT preparation को तो जितना मर्जी टाइम दे दो वो कम पड़ेगा guys. ठीक है? So guys, my code is Praveen Tyagi Live. Use this code for a 10% discount. If you will download Unacademy app, you will get free classes, free quizzes, and free of cost doubts. You can ask any doubt to Unacademy. So even if you are not a plus subscriber, and if you're a plus subscriber, then definitely you will get many more features apart from this, guys. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends, and let maximum people have the advantage of this, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.